Hello everyone. Today I'm here to teach you how to create Rocketship Shooter. So let's start. So first of all you have to choose the sprites as I'm choosing rocket ship, and then you have to choose a rock. After choosing these two sprites, now we have to choose the backdrop. So I chose galaxy here. Now we have to start coding for rocket ship, and here are the steps which I'm following, and you also have to follow as I'm doing. And one thing is there, maybe the screen is not that much visible right now because I'm doing it, but in the end I will share the zoomed code with you all so that the code will be visible to you all. Okay, I hope now it is visible to you all. So now continue these steps and change here the y by -10. -10 y because we have to go down arrow. Okay, so now you can see the rocket is moving up and down, and here is the code. You can see one thing, we have to create a variable here, and that is score, so that we can get the score. Now continue the following steps and choose another sprite so that we can make it a shooting element. Here we can shoot by arrow. So now we have to start coding for rock, and I already did the code. You can see from when green flag clicked, and now I'm doing the another code, that is I'm creating a clone here and changing the values. Create a variable speed and create a variable score. That score variable you have to create in the starting while you are doing the code for the rocket ship. Actually I forgot, so I did it here, and I add the code in the last there, so don't be confused. You can see my steps which I'm following to complete this code for rock, and you also have to follow the same. If there will be any doubt, you can do the comments and I will clear your doubts in the comment section. And here you can see I choose the arrow one here, so that like when my rocket ship will shoot, when I will press the space key, so the arrow will start coming from there, and it will look like rocket ship is shooting to shoot the rocks. And now I'm setting the values for it and adding the sound. You can choose a sound, like I choose magic spell, like when the arrows will touch the rock, so the magic spell sound will come. Now add the broadcast which we were using in the story making also. And when you are receiving that game over broadcast, so you want to stop everything, means that when your game is over you want to stop everything. So here is also one correction. You can see actually I have made it y, but you have to make it x, because in rock you don't have to go up to down, you have to go left to right. So here is the correction, change x by speed. And you have to put this hide outside, not inside. That's why the clones are not showing on the screen. Now you can see my rocket ship is able to shoot the rocks. Now put the chain score, like how you have already created the score variable that you can see in your screen, but how it will change, so that you have to put like when you will shoot with arrows, so you will be able to shoot. And now you have to code for arrow. So here you have to code, when I start as a clone, you have to go in a x and y position that you have to set. So its position will be with the rocket ship, because we can't make it like arrows is coming from top somewhere and the rocket ship is somewhere, so both will be like connected to each other. So here we use this go to x and y position of rocket ship. In the end, delete this clone. And I also set the size here for arrow, that will be 30. So I want to make it very small, so it is not that much visible on the screen. It will be coming like a small like small bullets. And when you will press the space key, then it will create its clone. Like you can see the multiple arrows there. You can shoot the rocks with multiple arrows. You also can create your own sprite here. That is not compulsory to choose arrow only here. It's up to you. Like you want to create a circle, you want to create a square or whatever. Now see. Okay, I think now it's visible. You can see the clones of arrows there also. While I'm pressing it once, only one arrow is going, and while I'm pressing it for long, the multiple arrows are coming. Now we have to code for game over. So here I choose a blank sprite and I wrote game over there. I adjust it like according to the screen, like it will be visible on your screen. Set the colors. Okay, now it's perfect. Now come to the code and start coding for it also. Choose a sound here and then choose its volume, because it's too noisy with the 100%, so you can make it 60 or whatever. Now in the end you have to stop all. Choose when green flag clicked here and I hide it. When you will start the game, it will be hidden and it will only visible when you will get the game over. Here you can see the last code. Now you also have to create a blank sprite for you won. Type you won and choose color which you want to take, and then you have to code it. Click on code area and do the code for you won. First of all, same as game over, you have to hide it when the green flag will be clicked, and when your score is equals to score I took from the variables and I made it 10. For now you can just increase it up to the value like 30, 40, so on. Let's see the output after playing the game. Okay, if my rock will touch the rocket ship, the game will be over, as you can see. Yay, I did it! I won the match.